The Arctic Horizons report, released in 2018, discussed a number of issues related to the state of Arctic social scientific research. One of the research priorities raised in the report was to create innovations in curation, management, sharing, discoverability, and access for social science research data. Currently, social scientific datasets make up a very small portion of the catalog, despite the requirement that, when appropriate, the National Science Foundation requires data generated from projects to be made publicly available via a data repository such as the NSF Arctic Data Center. Arctic social scientific researchers, however, can find it challenging to submit data, while also responding to multiple norms, guidelines, and regulations, including those from institutional review boards, institutional data management plans, implementation of care and fair principles, and Indigenous data sovereignty agreements. Given these challenges, and in an effort to connect more effectively with Arctic social scientists, the Arctic Data Center team, in conjunction with co-organizers Noor Johnson and myself, attended a workshop focused on supporting social scientific data in April 2020. The 29 participants comprised social scientists active in Arctic research and included 4 Arctic Data Center staff and NSF program officers. Workshop participants ultimately produced valuable suggestions on what the Arctic Data Center might do in order to increase Arctic social scientific data sharing and reuse. And the group generated 4 primary high-level themes: enhancing infrastructure, training, sensitive data archival, and open data. Since that time, a smaller group of participants have continued to meet bi-weekly, working on a peer-reviewed publication focused on topic number 3, sensitive data archival. This research in progress examines the current landscape of Arctic social science data management. The group is focused in part on 3 elements we have felt may be of assistance or inspiration to assist with sensitive Arctic social scientific data management that have influenced our recommendations to the Arctic Data Center. The data tag system is a 6-level system to categorize data by its level of sensitivity based on what access and security requirements must apply to the data. OpenDP, or Differential Privacy, is a rigorous mathematical definition of privacy for statistical analysis and machine learning, where individual-level information about participants in the database is not leaked. TK labels are an initiative for Indigenous communities and local organizations, allowing communities to express local and specific conditions for sharing and engaging in research and relationships in ways that are consistent with community rules, governance, and protocols. In considering these and other elements, the Arctic Data Center team has made beta changes to data submission processes. Specifically, these features will include metadata entry fields for cultural heritage and enable flagging of sensitive and protected data and the different levels that will govern their accessibility and reuse. In the first slide, for example, data sensitivity levels indicated as non-sensitive allow a user to proceed with uploading data. In the second slide, with sensitive data selected, cautionary language is included, requesting that only data that is safe for uploading be included, and to work with data curators in the enhanced methodological section prior to upload. Finally, the section on methods and sampling with additional metadata entry fields for details such as ethical research procedures, care and fair principles, co-production and data sovereignty, anonymization and aggregation have the potential to provide additional confidence to encourage Arctic social scientists to submit social scientific data sets. As a key takeaway, the peer-reviewed study in progress develops a survey of Arctic NSF award recipients designed to identify which factors assisted, delayed, or hindered researchers from sharing their data. These results, coupled with preliminary data gathered from deployment of the new features at the Arctic Data Center, will strive to test the degree of increased data sharing assurance to PIs who may otherwise be apprehensive about sharing data and fulfilling their NSF grant data management requirements. The research team is grateful for suggestions related to the peer-reviewed paper in progress and related development. Thank you.